Hi everybody, my name is Dara Boyle. I work for Evenflow. We're an SME based in Brussels, Belgium, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about our company. So the first thing to know about Evenflow is that we are not your stereotypical EO company. We're not an EO data or an EO service provider. We're not even an EO data or service user. But what we do is we help others to bring value to the market. So one of the first pillars of the company is that we create insights. So we're highly active in the European Earth observation ecosystem, and we have strong relationships with all of the institutional bodies. We provide strategic advice to those bodies. For example, USPA, previously GSA. We provide market development activity support for them. We've supported the European Commission in Copernicus user uptake activities. And we support the European Space Agency through the Sentinel Benefits Study, which is a wide-ranging study looking at the different types of benefits that can be accrued using Copernicus Sentinel data. With particular relevance to GEO, two of the projects we currently have are FIRE. It's a Horizon 2020 project, which takes working groups from different sectors such as agriculture, raw materials, urban development, and tries to understand how Earth observation can best serve those communities, and takes all of this data, distills it down, and we're finally developing a roadmap for Europe's future research and innovation strategy. The InCase project is another interesting project we're involved with, and it's taking the GEO data sharing and data management principles and trying to understand how these can best be applied to in situ data, particularly for the monitoring of environmental compliance. Another pillar of the company is that we support innovation. So again, with particular relevance to GEO, I'd like to speak about the eShape project for a little while. eShape is a Horizon 2020 project. It's actually a flagship project of the EU and aims to contribute to GEO by establishing EuroGeo. Within eShape, there are actually 37 pilots, each of which is developing an EO-based innovation. And there's a lot of public and private entities involved in this project, which brings the PPP element to this presentation. So within eShape, Evenflow are actually supporting all of the 37 pilots, helping each of them develop a business plan. eShape also contributes to GEO by contributing a lot of data to the GEO Knowledge Hub, and also the EO maturity indicators methodology. This was a methodology for trying to understand how mature the uptake of EO data was in different countries. It was first developed in a different project, but has been refined further under eShape. So as part of eShape, Evenflow are developing what we call the Sustainability Booster. The Sustainability Booster will be a commercial service launched early next year, where space tech startups and SMEs can come and avail of a suite of services, for example, market intelligence support, business planning support, legal and IP advice, or investment and funding advice. As part of the Sustainability Booster also, we're developing several tools. One such tool is the Space Tech Valuation Tool. So if you're an SME or a startup and you are looking to raise funding, you can actually get a full 360-degree view of your company, have it evaluated, and use this as part of the information for your funding round. There will also be an investment landscape navigator. So this is a database where investors can come and SMEs can register, so they can display the types of services they're doing and hopefully connect with potential investors. So there are several other examples of how Evenflow provides commercialization support. For example, the Sibele project. This was a huge Horizon 2020 project, and it was looking into how high performance computing can be used in precision agriculture and precision livestock farming. We actually wrote the final sustainability and business plan for this project. We did the same for EOMORAS, which was looking at how Earth observation can be used to monitor inland and coastal water. And again, the same for the Apollo project, again a Horizon project, which was looking at how precision agriculture and Earth observation can be used for smallholder farmers in Europe. And what we consider the third pillar of the company is our communications activities. We have several communications activities ongoing as we speak. A very interesting project is actually the eOrigins project. This is a European Space Agency funded, and it looks into how blockchain technologies can be used in conjunction with Earth observation data to help verify and monitor food supply chains all around the world. We're providing communication support for that. Another project we've done that for also was the Parsec project. This was a business accelerator supporting EO innovations in Europe. And then several of the main institutional bodies, we provide communication support to them also. For example, ECMWF and the various Copernicus services, the Copernicus Climate Change Service and the Copernicus Atmospheric Monitoring Service, and finally the European Environment Agency. We've provided them with communication support for their in situ component. So that was a very high level overview of some of the activities that Evenflow are involved with. This is just a snapshot of some of the projects and clients we had worked with in the past and we are still currently working with. We're, as I said, based in Brussels, Belgium. We're a core team of 14. Here are some of my colleagues on screen. We would like to thank you for paying attention to our presentation, and for any more information, please visit evenflow.eu. Thank you.